Get.
Let's go, boys!
Yes. Yay! Yes!
Alright, now we
Yay.
have our Year 8 boys, and then we will have the race of all races. We'll run it with boys and girls because we've got enough. So we'll mix it. Come on, you girls.